Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of m. If we have m plus 1 over 2 is equals to m, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here I can explain the reason why I can solve this problem for two methods. So the reason is that if in your exam, the question statement is that you need to find the value of m. But if you see directly in the question statement, you cannot get the value of m. But here in the first method, I can give you a very smart technique in which you can easily get the values of m. But if in your exam the question statement is that you need to determine the solution set of this problem, so in that case you directly move towards the second method and you directly do this problem for second method. But both of these methods are valid to solve these types of questions. And now we move toward the solution of this problem. And here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to remove this fraction. For this we multiply both of the sides by 2. So when we multiplying both of the sides by 2 on each of these terms, it will be written as 2m plus this is 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by m. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this will becomes 2m plus this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here 1 is equals to 2 times of m. So here in the next step we need to take a squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form. But now here we use the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side, and you know about that if we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. According to this, you see here this is our a and this is our b, and when we apply this nice formula to the left hand side of the above equation, it will be written as, after applying this here, it will becomes 2m whole square plus 2 times of 2m into 1 plus 1 square equals to, this is 2m square and 2 becomes 4 and m square becomes here m square. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have this 2 square becomes 4 times of m square, and this 2 times 2 becomes 4m plus 1 square equals to 1, and we move this 4m square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes minus 4m square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. This is the negative term, this is the positive term are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 4m plus 1 equals to 0. But here our target is to get the values of m. For this we move plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 4m equals to minus 1. And now we divide both of the sides by 4 in order to find the values of m. So that we divide by 4 both of the sides, this 4 and this 4 are gone, and we get here our m is equals to minus 1 divided by 4. So this is the value of m which we get here in this method. So in the next step we need to verify that is this value of m be the solution, or is this value of m be the extraneous root. So for verification we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m plus 1 over 2 equals to m, and here we substitute the value of m on both of the sides. So when we put these values, it will be written as minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 equals to minus 1 over 4. Here we need to take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes 4. So this 4 and this 4 are gone, and we get here minus 1 plus, here we cancel these terms and we get 2 is equals to minus 1 over 4. And now here in the next step we need more simplification. So minus 1 plus 2 becomes here 1 over 4 equals to minus 1 over 4. So here you see that the left hand side be the positive value, but the right hand side be the negative value. So we know about that the positive value cannot be equals to the negative value. Okay, these are not possible case. So if this is not possible, it means that the value of m equals to minus 1 over 4 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we call that m equals to minus 1 over 4 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So if this is the extraneous root, and you see here we cannot get any value of m which is satisfied our given question statement, so we call that this question has no solution in general because we cannot get any value of m. This is the final conclusion of this problem of first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. And in second method here, first we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is m plus 1 over 2 is equals to m. So this is our given question statement, and here our second method be the very straightforward method, and here we directly move toward the solution of this problem. So here we move this m to the right hand side, and it will becomes 1 over 2 is equals to m minus m. So these positive and negative term are gone, and we get here 1 over 2 is equals to 0. And here you clearly see that in general 1 over 2 is not equals to 0, or in other words we say that it is not possible. So if this is not possible, it means that we cannot get any value of m which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we call that this question has no solution because we cannot get any value of m. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.